Hello friends, welcome back. Look what we have here. We were kindly gifted by Zuru Toys Season 4 of Minibrands. We are so excited to dive into this. Thank you, Zuru Toys. We are going to unbox these and let you know what we find. Look at this. This freezer opens. Real shopping brands that fit into your hand. Looks like we've got some, what is that? Pasta sauce and TGI Fridays. And of course, what Sunday wouldn't be complete without Hershey's chocolate syrup. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, let's take one and see what we find. The big reveals. Open them up. We got some raisins, awesome. Some OxyClean, all right, awesome. What'd you get? Sunny D, whoa, got some cash. We got a classic can of Pringles, awesome. Looks like Pink is getting all of like the important stuff that you need for the house. What'd you get? Ooh, Peeps. We've got so many more to open, but we've opened quite a few. And so far, we've got some pretty awesome stuff. We believe this Pringles right here is an ultra rare or a rare one. So we're super excited about that. Lots of cute, tiny candy packages, some housewares, shopping cart, you know, the necessities. We're gonna fill up our cart with some of our cool finds here. We're just gonna do a little grocery run. What do you think we should put in our cart, Pink? Ooh, some Mike and Ike's. That's a good choice. Okay. What else? You're gonna put it at the bottom of the cart? Put something inside the cart. Ooh, okay. Some Sunny D. Good choice. Two things of Sunny D. That won't fit. Let's put something else. Maybe, how about this? What are these? What is this? Is this potato chips? Those look yummy. Put some chips in that cart with the Sunny D. Getting some household supplies. Some tortilla chips. All right, friends, and that does it for our shopping trip. Pink is gonna pay. Go ahead, give me the money, and she's gonna take her basket of goodies and be on her merry way. It was nice shopping with you. Thank you again, Zuru Toys, for this awesome package.